Everybody, I just want to say, your boy just repaired his first PlayStation 4 for a good friend. It's pretty awesome. I want to kind of show you this so you guys can kind of see what I got going on here. Now I gotta kind of flip it around, but I don't know if I'll be able to. But basically, the problem was the fan was super loud, and this is how it sounds right now. So you can see it's running. It's very quiet. Very, very quiet. And this thing was dusty as I don't know what. This is what I pulled out of the computer. Of the PlayStation 4. Now I'm gonna upload the shots of like what came out, but it was stuff like this. And it was very dirty. And the process took me about a good 4, 5, 6 hours. Of course I was scared. Anybody's scared to try something new. But I'm successful. And you can see when I launch a game, I have to go to the games list real quick. I have all my games here. So these are all my games. So if I want to play a game, these games will not be loud whatsoever. I go to any one of these games and you can see, you can hear how quiet it is. Very quiet. So all my games are here. There's Tormented Souls. Sekiro's in here, Sniper. Yeah, so now my Tormented Souls I believe is for PS5. So it's not on here, but Prey is on here. All these other games are on here. And as you can see, it's running very smooth. But I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to start working on Assassin's Creed Chronicles. Because I want to do a no damage run for this game. And I'm like, why not? So I'm start working on it. So it's going to download. But listen how quiet it is. Now, if you would have heard it before, it was loud as heck. It was making a loud sound. The reader wasn't going through. There was all sorts of issues. And I fixed it. I completely fixed it. I had to take it all the way apart. I didn't quite have the video, but I'm going to show you the pictures. So I'm going to show you all the pictures of everything, like all the screenshots, what I went through, what I was doing, how I was doing it. And I'm going to show you the video when I launched up the PS4 without it, having default or not working or turning on. I fixed it completely. A friend asked for my help. I was scared to do it, but I had faith. I had confidence I was going to get it done. Also found money on the ground today. Happy New Year, or Merry Christmas to you all. Unfortunately, situations did occur, and I was kicked out, of somebody's house, which is messed up for somebody I care a lot about. But these are the kind of things that happen to people that don't deserve it. So yeah, it's like you get the boot and people treat you like trash, but then you come back and get a W. So whatever, dude. If people want to be like that, people can be like that. I've had my love, my care, and all that towards people. But if you're gonna treat me like that and just kick me out, that's messed up. But anyway, I'm not here for that. I'm just letting you know what's going on. Just a good friend of mine, really wanted my help. I was able to help her, and I'm glad that I repaired her PlayStation 4. As you can see, like I said again. Results, it's very quiet. You could barely even hear it. You can't even hear it. Listen. It's so quiet. The PlayStation 4 is so quiet. It's so quiet. So the Phillips screwdrivers and stuff that I used. Now these are bad screwdrivers. I don't recommend this because there was a strep screw was giving me some problems, but I had to figure out what I needed to do. But I was using this one. I could focus. This one. And the previous one is the bigger one, but I didn't use this one too often. But yeah, I took it apart, cleaned it out. It was more dust than I ever imagined, man. That thing was clouded with dust. It was like flooded with dust. It was so bad. But now it's clean. It's running smooth. All you got to do is just look at some tutorials. YouTube teaches you pretty much everything, and you just learn from it. Anyway, Merry Christmas to you all. I love you. And I'll be all right. You know, I'll be all right. I miss my dad, of course. You know, he passed away and everything. But I just want to appreciate all the love and support from the community. Just from my backflips, from my videos, from my world's first stand wakes the deep. No fall damage, no damage run. Ton of love on that. Ton of love on my seafood videos. Ton of love on just all my other videos. I appreciate the subscribers coming in. Just everybody just pouring their love out to me. I appreciate you all. Take care. Remember, don't give up. No matter what you do, you know, situations, you got to just try new things. I never thought I'd be able to take apart a PlayStation 4, repair it, and put it back together. So, you know, we learn. We learn as we go. But I love you, and I'm going to have this video uploaded soon. Take care. Peace. As you can see, I fixed it. It's very quiet. It's running. It's smooth. Everything's good to go. Just testing. Now the controller's still doing that, but it's very quiet. So there you go. I'm gonna log off. See how turn on TV. Off this thing. So you can see I got it going on. I'm just trying to get the TV on right now. Here we go. We're going to the PlayStation. Oh, what's wrong with this thing? And there we go. Everything's on. We're gonna run a game. And there it is. Everything's running smooth. It's not running loud anymore. Your loud sound is gone, bro. It's gone, Tara. Test it real quick. That loud sound is gone. See how quiet it is? So that was the problem. She needed a cleaning. Still a little dust there, but successful. Cleaned the whole entire PS4. Took it apart, cleaned it up, took out the screws, and now there's no more loud sound. I don't hear any loud sound at all. So, let me turn this fan off. And you're welcome. Your problem is fixed. PS4 is repaired. Running beautifully, running really good. And there's no loud sound. You hear any loud sound? Nope. See? Successful. I did it. I can't believe I did it, but I did it. See how quiet it is? No more loud sound. It's so quiet now. Before the fan was running super loud. Not anymore. Repaired. Fixed. Problem solved. And you're welcome. So there you go. Nice and quiet. No loud sound. Just lunged it up. Took it apart. Cleaned it out. Put it together. Problem fixed. Now just the controller now. Launch this up real quick. You can see it's not even loud anymore. Not at all. No more loud sounds. Totally repaired. I was successful. As you can see how quiet it is? See? That loud sound is gone. See? All right, there you go.